A burglary attempt has been reported from Bidar district in Karnataka, where unidentified thieves allegedly stole cash and jewellery worth approximately 14 lakh rupees from a house in Chidri village of Bidar taluk. According to the police, the theft took place at the residence of Rajkumar while all family members were away attending a wedding ceremony. Taking advantage of the family's absence, the burglars reportedly broke open the lock of the house and entered the premises. They then forced open a cupboard and stole the valuables kept inside. The accused allegedly escaped with 150 grams of gold jewellery, 100 grams of silver ornaments and 1.5 lakh rupees in cash. The total value of the stolen property is estimated to be around 14 lakh rupees. The incident came to light when the family returned home later that night after attending the wedding and discovered that their house had been burgled. They immediately alerted the police. Following the complaint, a dog squad and a team of fingerprint experts visited the spot and conducted an investigation. Superintendent of Police Pradeep Gunti, along with officers from the Gandhigunj Police Station, also inspected the scene as part of the enquiry. A case has been registered at the Gandhigunj Police Station and the police have launched a further investigation to identify and apprehend the accused. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.